I want to show you how to track motion with text in Premiere Pro. Let's go. First, select the ellipse tool and draw a circle around your subject. Then go to Essential Graphics and uncheck Fill and check off the stroke. Here, change the line thickness as you want. Deselect your timeline objects by clicking here. Fillowing, select your pen tool and click on 2 points to create our line. At this point, select your text tool and type your text at the end of the line. Highlight your graphic and text layers and extend the duration as much as you want. Then select both clips and nest. Perfect, our motion graphic created. Let's track our subject from the start of your graphic layer. Go over to Effect Controls and click the stopwatch icon next to Position. Move your timeline slider to the end of the clip, then click on Motion under Effect Controls and click and drag the screen so your subject is back within the circle. Now move your timeline slider back a few seconds and adjust the graphic layer so the subject is centered within the circle again. Continue doing this until you're back at the start. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.